Some people maintain that the property business is a people business, but how can we leverage the power of these cutting-edge technologies whilst preserving the irreplaceable human touch? In today's session, we talk about the strategies you can adopt to seamlessly integrate AI into your workflows. We show you how to capitalize on its strengths as you deliver the benefits of your combined advantages to provide a superior customer experience. In today's session, we're looking at building a collaborative human-AI partnership whereby we leverage the strengths of AI whilst maintaining the human element in every transaction. At this point, it is not possible to completely replace a human in any transaction when it comes to real estate. After all, you're dealing with huge sums of money and you're having to convince humans that they should part with huge sums or go into huge amounts of debt. So for that reason, humans still feel comfortable dealing with other humans before coming to the completion or conclusion any of their transactions. So in today's session, we'll look at how this partnership can work and the benefits to both sides and ultimately the benefits to the end client. So the key things we'll take out of today is we'd want to understand the strengths and limitations of AI. We'll recognize the importance of human intelligence and human touch, that emotional intelligence that we bring when we work together as humans, and we'll learn strategies that we can use to collaborate together with the machines. So yesterday we discussed how AI is transforming the real estate industry and the evolving role of agents. Well, today we'll focus on collaboration and how we can work with AI in partnership rather than working as aggressors or working against each other. Now, the strengths of AI come from the amount of data that they can process and the analysis of that information that they're processing at scale and at speed. They're able to recognize patterns and predict the future. And when it comes to automation, really the abilities that AI produces, they are unparalleled. However, the limitations of AI comes from the emotional intelligence and lack thereof, and their ability to understand context. Well, at this stage, that is the case. Obviously, there are many organizations working to bridge this gap and trying to get us to the point where machines completely take over and do everything. But right now, that's not the case. We have to work together in order to achieve the results that we want. Then the other thing that AI isn't completely able to do is it's not able to handle complex negotiations and any creative problem solving, not at scale anyway. Remember, anything that AI is doing, it needs to be trained to do it. There are areas of science right now trying to help it think and reason for itself, but we're not there at this juncture. So the human touch is always there to help build trust and nurture those client relationships. And the human element is all based on emotional intelligence and speaking to somebody who can relate to the situation you're going through, be it in a purchase process or in a rental process. So that is still the area in which humans thrive. Now, in order to build this collaborative partnership, the key thing is to identify the tasks that AI can assist us with. So things like the property valuations and market analysis, lead generation and prospecting and scheduling, and all administrative and repetitive tasks. And to leverage these tasks, we need to leverage the insights that AI produces by combining AI generated data and insights with human intelligence and expertise. And we can use AI to identify new trends, identify new opportunities. And then in everything we're doing, we maintain the transparency with the clients about the usage of AI data, so they know how much of what they're receiving is AI based and how much of it is the human producing that information. So we'll look at a couple of case studies. At a high level, we have tools like Redfin's Estimate and Compass. And these two tools provide information that help the human agents to work and produce a better experience for their clients. So Redfin is a tool that produces property valuations using automated valuation models and natural language processing. So essentially you can type in your query and with just speaking normally, and it's able to understand what you're saying and produce a result. Now, as an agent, you can use that to your advantage, because then you are querying the model as you would normally speak to another human, and is able to produce information that you can then harness to shape the tone of how you negotiate with your clients. The other tool is Compass. Compass produces AI-driven insights for the pricing of properties, marketing, and identifying leads. Again, as the human agent, you can use that information to enhance the work that you're doing and how you're negotiating with your end clients. Now, the best practices for the human AI collaboration would be for us to clearly define the roles of AI and human agents, and continuously train and upskill the human agents on the AI tools to see how they can use the insights and the process data from the AI robots or the AI machines in order to provide a better experience to the end client. And then must ensure that we address all ethical concerns. Now, ethical concerns like fairness in the property transactions, and things like bias, handling those and removing bias from the conclusions that AI is able to generate for us humans. So in conclusion, hopefully we've identified that AI can be a huge support to the work that we're doing. The human element is not quite replaceable yet, hopefully never, but at this stage it is not replaceable. So work together with the tools that we have so that we are supercharged in what we're able to provide, because ultimately it's a client that we want to have the best experience. And then we want to build this collaboration in partnership with AI's strengths and the human expertise to deliver something that works together as a wonderful combined solution and a combined experience to our clients. Now, we want to learn from some of the case studies that we talked about. So these are just usage scenarios that are fairly simple to understand and would help us deliver the kind of benefits to our clients that they are now coming to expect, because they're experiencing AI in other aspects of their lives. Then ultimately, let's embrace AI responsibly and use it with to prioritize the trust that we want our clients to have in the work we're doing, and to improve the customer satisfaction. Now, we are AutoRead.ai. We can assist you in this journey of collaborating with AI. The whole premise of our business is to automate your business transactions. That's ultimately to free you from any mundane tasks or repetitive tasks, things like data entry or lead generation, lead sourcing. We can help you automate these processes so that you can focus on what would deliver better customer experience, or come up with ideas for other things that you can allow AI do to free you up to do things that are more useful to your business. So in order to reach us, you can visit us through our website, autore.ai, or send us an email at ua@autore.ai. We're also present on social platforms, and feel free to DM us and I'll be sure to respond. Now, if you have any questions or queries from today's session, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. So until next time, keep winning.